literally. As I proceed to use the hair scissors, take it out, use it, and then put it back. Like, dang, I stepped on my
I think about you all the time. I want you to free my mind. I want you to free my mind.
Hey, y'all. Y'all, it is currently 8:36. I literally just got home from class. Today was my computer science class. My first day of class. My hands are freezing. It's pretty cold outside. I didn't bring my earmuffs or my scarf. Like, I'm not sick. That was stupid. Thankfully, I came home to my humidifier, my nose stuff, my nose stuff because my nose is really dry. I mean, I had both on. That's how I blew the outlet last time. I had to work, and then straight after work, I went to class to get my badge for school, my badge ID. I need scissors. Then we had to introduce ourselves. Like, it's high school. I don't even think they made us do that in high school. They usually make us do that in new jobs, like job orientation. Everybody introduce yourself and what you want to do. I'm like, yeah, I'm a full stack web developer from the P. So, you know, I don't even say from the P. I'm from Philly. Ow. I haven't been in the gym, but Wednesday I'm gonna go in the sauna. So got my vapor. I know y'all don't care about this unboxing, but I'm gonna give y'all content because earlier when I was crying about my shoot, I should have brought the box home. When I was crying, talking about I can't find my package and Belt's ass, yeah, we found it. I knew we was gonna find it. I knew nobody didn't take it. It's just like, where did y'all put it? Like, write me a note and tell me you put it everywhere else. Cause I automatically get to thinking, dang. Like, did y'all take it out, use it, and then put it back? Like, dang, I stepped on my somebody probably stepped on it. That's exactly what that is. But this is it's saline nose gel for the insides of my nose. Because I'll bend down, my nose will start leaking blood. Because it's so dry, me blowing my nose. Like, my skin is even dry from how many times I blow my nose in a day. And then, maybe, I didn't get the Vapor one. Is that what it's called? The Vapo Vicks brand, because I had it years ago, and then looking at the reviews, I remembered how bad it really does sound. Like, I am a light sleeper. I cannot hear that type of noise while I'm trying to sleep. I need to use my other scissors. This is why all my scissors are dull. I bought 2 perfumes from that brand. I didn't like them, and I wasn't gonna return it, so I gave one to my coworker. The other one I'll keep because it's okay. And then this one I got a sweeter scent, and it's like, it smells good on me, but it doesn't last long. Smelling it out the bottle is like peppery, but I'll show y'all. So I have to wash this one, I'm sure, because it's probably gonna smell like, I don't know. I just hope this don't blow my outlet. Like, I fixed that though, y'all. Like, I blew my outlet for that day. I didn't use no outlets, and then I was like, wait a minute. And then I went to go switch the breaker on, and I told maintenance, I said, no need to come. I'm the new maintenance. They was like, oh, what did you do? Handled it, because I knew y'all was gonna take your time. So this lights up. Do not overfill. So let me leave that on there then. So I'll actually make this a vlog of me just showing y'all. I don't have content for y'all today. I literally just got out of class. I have to shower, I have to eat, and I have to prep dinner. Well, what I'm gonna eat is dinner, but I have to prep lunch for tomorrow because, well, yeah. Because I don't have night class tomorrow. I have evening class, so it's kind of different. Like, I ate my little sandwich when I was waiting to go to class. But, like, tomorrow I have to go straight from work, like, straight to class. literally. So it's like I'm not even gonna be eating. Do I need to make dinner? Or will a sandwich suffice? I don't know, that's why I'm in school now. Yeah, so I'm gonna go clean this out. I would bring you with me, but I'll bring you with me, come on. And I bought this to pour in here, which I'm pretty sure it's allowed. It's too big for my kitchen sink and my bathroom sink, so to the kitchen.
Should've made you feel more important. Now I'm up all night drinking poison. Till my thoughts are all distorted. The only way I know to ignore it. Trying to hide all the pain, just to go back to what it was for. Another bottle I'm all poured out. Flood away. Speak to my baby. You can't seem to tell me what you need from me. Make you wanna fight late. So naive to believe you've been in first. My emotions.
So I'm just gonna try my best not to kick it and knock it over, but I kind of need it to be right next to my bed because that's where I lie my head at night. So I'm just gonna see what it do and make sure I don't knock it over.
Wasn't really sure.
I'll put it on here. Dang, let me move my laptop. For I'm not able to get no schoolwork done, Lord. So my class, computer science, it was pretty chill. I was falling asleep low-key in my head, like towards the last hour. It was just a bunch of like intro stuff. And then we had to do like a popcorn thing, getting to like, not know each other, but know each other. I think I told y'all that already. I'm tired. Okay, I think I told y'all that. Other than that, yeah. And we have like 2 assignments already. They're very simple, but still, it's not the point. For real. Like, slow your roll, baby. Tomorrow I have an English class. It's 3 hours long. It's really 2 English classes merged to 1. You get a 10-minute break in between. Like, what is that gonna do? Ugh! Oh, this smells strong. Oh my gosh. Oh. I don't know how much to pour. I don't want it to burn my eyes. Oh, that's that's strong. That's already too strong, but it has a minimum. It has the light. I'm gonna keep it as pink, of course. I would put it on my desk, but my desk, as y'all know, is like across from my bed, and I need it to be more so like near my bed. Just gonna put my mirror over here and then move this to where my bed is so that I can like breathe that in, and hopefully I can. Oh, that's strong. I can already kind of like smell what it's doing, you know? So I'm just gonna push this to this. Oh, it's cute, look. It lights up multiple colors. I thought it was just gonna be like whatever color I set it to, but it changes. That's so cute. Wow. And it's quiet. I hope it lasts because, I mean, I don't really get sick too often. Knock on wood. But I I hope it lasts because I've seen some of you saying it's like good for temporary usage. I just needed something that was quiet. That's really what. And then I seen it was lit up pink. And I'm like, yeah, that kind of encouraged the purchase a little bit more. But the perfume, cutesy, sweet tea. This one is pink, of course. It's called Strawberry Milkshake. I don't have the box open at work. So it smells good. I just don't like how the bottle is always coming like leaked in there. Like it's the third time. It smells good on me though. I think you have to have a natural good scent in order for certain scents to smell good on you, because what smells good on me doesn't smell good on everybody. So keep that in mind. Oh yeah, I can smell that vapor rub from over here. It cancels out my vanilla scent, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I unplugged it. Yeah, that concludes this video. That is me handling that. I'm gonna hop in the shower and then pop a little veggie burger in the air fryer and eat that and contemplate if I'm gonna make dinner or not. I'm probably not. It's looking like a ramen for lunch again because I've been eating soup because I really don't feel well. I did throw out chicken, so I have to cook it tomorrow at least, which I will do, and I'll have that for Wednesday because I have night class again. My classes are literally from, I'm not saying that. My classes are late though. Can't say too much because, you know, my city, people be, let's go open the scene room. It's right here. And it doesn't last long, so I'm not going to really do an in-depth review. Probably not going to buy from them again unless it's a scent I know smells really good. And there's only one scent from them that I know smells really good. This is my first time trying other scents for myself. I usually get scents as a gift for other people based off of reviews and they love it, but with me, I'm super picky, so I have to be like an in-person or a get sample. Alright y'all, that's getting kind of strong. But yeah, as I was saying, I have to be like a get a sample and then try it. So yeah, I'm gonna go hop in the shower. Actually, when I hop in the steam room on Wednesday, I'm gonna go to the steamer, the sauna. What am I talking about, the steam room? I'm gonna go to the sauna and that should definitely help with, I don't know, will it? I don't know. I've never been in the sauna. It'd be too hot for me. I mean, they're too cold or too hot. But I'm glad I got my humidifier. I hope it helps me. Pray for me, y'all. I've been sick for literally 8 days. And y'all see, I went to the doctor and they told me you have a sinus infection. But he was just chatting. He don't know what the heck is wrong with me. He just said, here, take these meds. The meds that made me throw up. They don't care about me. But before I start chatting all day like I'm not tired and running off of 4 hours of sleep, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will be back with more videos.
My brain is made for